In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim Amazon Prime student discount. We'll go step by step so you can follow along on your phone or your computer and get set up in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Amazon Prime student discount and press enter. This is the quickest way to get to the correct page without digging through menus. From the results, select the one that clearly shows it's the official Amazon website and mentions Prime Student. That link will open Amazon's Prime Student page. Once the page loads, you should see a headline that says something like, all the Prime perks, half the price. That's how you know you're in the right place. On or near that section, look for the option that says Join Prime for 18 to 24 years old and tap or click it. Depending on your region, the wording can vary slightly, but go with the join option that's tied to the student or youth discount shown on the page. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create a new Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, simply sign in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Amazon, choose the option to create a new account and enter your details. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete account verification and creation. This may include confirming your email, verifying your phone, and providing any information Amazon requests to confirm your eligibility as a student or your age range. Take your time here. Accurate information helps the system approve your discount without delays. If Amazon asks for additional proof, just follow their instructions on the page. The process is straightforward and guided. After you finish the account setup and verification, the 6-month free trial will automatically be applied to your account. You'll be able to enjoy Prime benefits like fast shipping and access to entertainment at the student rate once the trial ends. Keep in mind that pricing and eligibility can vary depending on your country, and trial availability may be subject to Amazon's current terms. If you're asked to add a payment method during sign up, that's normal. It ensures your benefits continue after the trial, and you can manage or cancel at any time from your Amazon account settings. That's it. You've claimed the Amazon Prime student discount and your free trial should be active. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Prime benefits at a lower price.